SoFi Cash Rewards Credit Card Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get cashback credit cards wrong. They focus only on the percentage rate. The surprising truth about the SoFi Cash Rewards Credit Card is how flexible it is for everyday spending, and you won't believe how easy it is to earn cash back while managing finances. Here's how it works. The SoFi card offers 2% cash back on all purchases when you redeem into SoFi Invest accounts, 1% when redeemed as a statement credit, and additional rewards for SoFi Money account holders. There's no annual fee, and your cash rewards can be used to pay down debt, invest, or save. For example, a daily commuter paying for coffee, groceries, and rideshares could easily earn hundreds of dollars annually with automatic deposits into a SoFi Invest account. Most people get this wrong. They assume only high-spending categories matter, but the flat-rate cashback approach rewards everyday spending. Additional features include access to SoFi's financial planning tools, no foreign transaction fees, and customizable alerts. The card also integrates seamlessly with the SoFi app, allowing you to track rewards, set up auto-pay, and manage balances conveniently. However, there are considerations. Some people prefer higher rewards in specific categories like travel or dining, which this card doesn't prioritize. Most people assume one card covers everything. It works best for flat-rate cashback earners, not specialized rewards hunters. In conclusion, the SoFi Cash Rewards credit card is ideal for users seeking simplicity, no fees, and easy cashback earning with flexible redemption options. It's a practical choice for building savings or investing while paying for everyday expenses. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of credit cards and personal finance tools.